Lucid dreaming is amazing until you wake up 10 seconds in. That's what happened to me the first couple times I became lucid. I got lucid, realized it, and before I could even move, boom! I was back in my bed, heart racing, dream gone. And it kept happening over and over until I finally figured out what I was doing wrong. If you can't keep yourself in the dream, it doesn't matter how good you are at inducing them. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your lucid dreams last longer using simple techniques that actually work. Tip 1. Don't freak out. The number one reason people wake up early in a lucid dream is because they get too excited. You realize you're dreaming and your brain goes, oh my god, I'm dreaming, I need to fly, I need to find that person, I need to, and wake up. I'm pretty sure that's a universal experience among beginners. So instead, the moment you realize you're dreaming, breathe. You have time. The dream isn't going anywhere if you don't panic. Look around, feel your feet, rub your hands together. Your first job is to ground yourself in the dream before doing anything else. Tip 2. Stabilize with your senses. This is what helped me the most. Touch something, feel textures. Focus on the wind, the temperature, and sounds in the distance. Use your senses to lock yourself into the dream. The more aware you become of your dream body, the less likely you are to wake up. One of my go-to tricks is rubbing my hands together while saying out loud, "This is a dream and I'm staying in." It's simple, but it works, because it keeps your brain focused on the experience, not the shock of becoming lucid. Tip 3. Do reality checks inside the dream. Even though you know you're dreaming, doing a reality check every few minutes helps keep you stable. Count your fingers, push your finger through your palm, plug your nose, and breathe through it. This reminds your brain that you're still dreaming and prevents it from slipping back into autopilot or waking up. Tip 4. Don't rush into crazy stuff. Yes, I know. You want to fly, teleport, summon someone, and go explore wild places. But doing too much, too fast, can shock your mind and make the dream collapse. Instead, start small. Walk. Pick something up, talk to a dream character, get familiar with the space, then build up from there. Lucid dreams can be long if you let them be. There's no rush. Tip 5. If the dream fades, take control. You'll sometimes feel it. The dream starts going dim, things blur, or you feel like you're waking up. Here's what I do. Spin in circles. This resets your senses and reconnects you to the dream. Rub your hands together with intensity. And say out loud, "Clarity now," or "Don't wake up." Remember that in lucid dreams, you can literally talk to your subconscious and tell it what you want. Bonus tip. Have a plan. Before you even fall asleep, know what you want to do once you become lucid. This keeps you focused, calm, and less likely to wake up from indecision or excitement. Lucid dreaming isn't just about becoming aware. It's about staying in control long enough to use it. If you apply even half of what I just told you, your lucid dreams will start lasting longer and will feel way more real. And once that happens, the real magic begins. Subscribe if you want to learn more about lucid dreaming.